If you're aiming to maintain youthful vitality and well-being for as long as possible, then this video is a must-watch. I'll be revealing the top 4 exercises renowned for their anti-aging benefits, and last exercise is a game changer. Stick around till the end to find out. Now let's begin. Number 1. Push-ups. Push-ups target the chest, shoulders, triceps, and abdominal muscles, effectively strengthening them and promoting muscle growth. Regular practice of push-ups helps prevent sarcopenia, maintain bone and joint health, and reduce the risk of fractures. Additionally, push-ups enhance functional fitness and cardiovascular health, while also improving joint mobility and balance. By encouraging proper posture, push-ups promote muscle engagement and stability throughout the body. Number 2. Planks. Planks are renowned for their efficacy in strengthening core muscles, thereby improving posture and alleviating back pain associated with muscle weakness and imbalances. Additionally, planking enhances overall body tone and helps address balance issues, reducing the risk of home-related injuries. Furthermore, planking aids in muscle and tendon flexibility, promoting greater overall flexibility. Number 3. Lunges. Often considered a staple exercise for sculpting firm buttocks. Lunges engage not only the gluteal muscles but also the thighs, shins, back, and abdominal muscles. By alleviating stress from the back muscles, lunges can help alleviate lower back pain, a common issue among individuals with sedentary occupations. Moreover, lunges enhance coordination and posture by requiring balanced engagement of both sides of the body and promoting spinal stability. Furthermore, lunges contribute to improved body flexibility and aid in weight management due to their high energy expenditure. Number 4. Squats. Squats engage multiple large muscle groups simultaneously. During this exercise, the buttocks, front, and inner thighs are actively engaged, while the back and abdominal muscles play a stabilizing role, maintaining proper spinal alignment. By targeting various muscle groups in the lower body, squats help enhance strength and endurance, enabling smoother movement and effortless performance of daily activities like climbing stairs or rising from a chair. Moreover, squats promote joint strength and healthy function, particularly in the knee, hip, and ankle joints, ultimately contributing to improved bone density and reduced risk of osteoporosis. Be sure to incorporate these exercises into your routine for maximum anti-aging benefits. And there you have it. Remember to check out other videos on this channel for more valuable insights.